this time, I got a message through my Etsy shop asking me if I could do custom pieces. And sure, I've done custom pieces before. This is the image that the company sent me. And I was trying to figure out a way to work with this. I knew it needed to be big, like an 8 by 10 or 8 by 12, and on a stand, but I wasn't quite sure what to do with this. Now this is what I'm trying to figure out what to do with. I did this project last year and we really came up with something beautiful. Now trying to replicate that, that's a different story. I don't know if you can see this drawing that I've done, but this is what we're going to try and make. I am going to cut everything out on the scroll saw. Then we're going to router the edges and use some fishing line to hang it. Now, since this company reached back out to me and wanted it again this year, I want to create a template to make sure that I can do this again next year without a bunch of hiccups, because this took a bit of time to try and draw out. So, replicating a design that's 8 inches by 12 inches tall, we're running out of ideas on how to do that. Do you remember back in school, now I may be dating myself here, the transparency projectors? I thought, what if we could come up with a way to do a transparency, and then I would darken this design, get some trace paper, and then try to trace over it. So then I could save this and redo this again next year. I think that just might work. I haven't quite figured out to film while I'm drawing things, so I'm not sure that you can see this, but I've tried to set this light up from my shop and this plexiglass piece in so that I can trace over this design. And so far, when I set this piece of paper, now I don't have another piece of paper handy with me, so it's got writing on it, so bear with me, but you can see the design through it. And I haven't even darkened it up yet. So I really think we can make a duplicate of this with our makeshift transparency projector. We're making quite a bit of progress on this award. We're just trying to brainstorm on how to hang this. See, we got the fishing line there already, and we have some pencil marks. So when we hang it, it's going to be even. Problem is that I need to poly this. So maybe the pencil marks on the inside, but they're still going to show up. So
Some brainstorming is in my future.